Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change background in Microsoft Teams. So as you can see here, I have background as a beach. I'm sitting at a beach. It looks like I'm sitting at a beach. So in order to change the background, if you are already in a meeting, all you have to do is click on the three ellipses here and then click on shows background effects. So here I can change to my normal background by clicking on this one here, this icon, and then click on preview. Or I can choose a different background. Click stop preview first. As you can see, here's the icon. I'm going to click apply to turn on the video. So as you can see here, the background has been changed, and if I can choose any backgrounds I want. I'm going to choose this one, click on apply. So if you have your own background, you can click on add new here. I'm going to choose this background. So this background size dimension 100 times 100. I think it's a little too small. Let's give it a try. As you can see here, could not upload image, and the size have to be 360 by 360. Let's add a different background. So like this background is 1440 by 900. This one should work. Let's scroll all the way down. Here it is. I'm going to click on apply. There it is. So that's how you change background while you're already in the meeting. So if you have not joined the meeting, you can change the background too. I'm going to show you that right now. So here's my meeting. I'm going to click on the meeting. Click on join Microsoft Teams meeting, or you can click on join here, the top right corner. Here, you want to make sure your video is on and click on this little icon here. So this will give you options to choose the background. I'm going to choose this one and then click on join now to join the meeting. So this background will be saved. Let me choose a different background and click on join now. As you can see, the background has been changed. And if I want to change this background again, just click on the three ellipses and click on shows background effects. And I'm going to choose this one and then click on apply. Here's the background. So this is how you change background in Teams video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.